Huntington Dog Beach was really cool. It's our first time getting in the Pacific. We finally made it all the way across the country. About 6,000 miles, I believe. We all got our paws in the water, even Vector, and it's really cold over here in the Pacific. We're used to the warm Atlantic. So it's our first time in the Pacific and it was a success. Alrighty, it is the evening before our Disneyland visit, and we just got checked into the hotel and got everybody kind of changed and cleaned up from going to the beach. We're gonna walk over to downtown Disney and see what everything's all about, get a lay of land, get some food, and get ready for tomorrow. So off we go.
Walking into Disneyland. We have about just under a mile walk from our hotel, and we're taking Vector because he's going to the Disneyland kennel. Hopefully they still have a space available for him. It's just before 8 o'clock. The park opens at 9. So here we go.
We're going to Disneyland!
Oh, we're in through security, and Brian's gonna take Vector over and get him in the kennel. Just right here, the entrance to Disneyland's right there, and the kennel is right there. And so we just have to come back and walk him every 4 hours or so. They don't feed them or walk them, they just kind of, give them some interaction and make sure their water bowls are full. So we will come back and check on him every couple hours and see how it goes. Good morning, where are we going?
To the castle.
To the castle.
To the pink castle.
What do you think we'll see today?
Me.
Yes.
And Ben. And Ben.
What kind of Disney people do you think we'll see today?
I'm gonna be Daisy.
Daisy Duck?
I'm gonna be like Minnie. So she has these ears. Wait, she has these ears?
She does have pink ears. Hi, girls.
There's enough hugs for all of you.
There's enough hugs go around.
It's true.
Rookie, go get a hug.
Go get a hug. Look. Chip wants to give you a hug.
It's okay, come on, I'll go with you. Then you want to
Go get a hug. You can get a picture.
It's yours! It's yours, Mommy!
A big hug. A snuggle. Hug him.
Mommy!
Give him a snuggle.
Your attention, please.
You confuse them.
Disneyland Limited. Now arriving.
Oh, you got
Is that the castle? Yeah? The castle? Yeah? Who did we see? Did we see Mickey?
Mickey.
Yeah. Did we see Chippendale? Yes. Did we see Goofy? And Donald? Yeah, they were all up front, weren't they?
One more place for your safety, remain seated.
We get 3 and 4.
Feeling like the behind the boat. Please supervise each of an enjoy cruise around the world.
Are you excited? Are you excited? Excited?
Ricky, what is this?
It's a boat.
It's boat.
A boat?
It's a boat. Oh,
Here we go.
Welcome back for challenges.
So we love It's a Small World in Disney World. We have never been on the Disneyland It's a Small World, but we start outside in this one, which is kind of neat. And so we'll see how it's different inside too.
Watch your children.
Oh my lord. Hold the wheel. Oh my god. Tara is
the best
9.
driver in the world.
She's got a while before she starts driving. Oh.
Careful, citizen. Someone might question your loyalty.
That's fine.
Business. But don't worry. It's a no disintegrations job. Next.
Oh, that's
Jedi. I don't do business with Jedi. They don't need my help, and I don't need their trouble.
He's very sweet.
You okay, Ben?
Chewy. Darth Vader.
Excited to meet Lord Vader? Are you a little scared? A little bit? He's really nice, I promise you. We're actually the good guys. Contrary to popular belief, we really are. The Jedi, they just like to screw everything up. We have a plan, we're executing it, and they come in and just make everything go a mess.
What's up, kiddo?
Hey, you go over there. I'll stay over here.
I sense you have been trained in the ways of the Jedi. Do not believe all they tell you. True power flows from the dark side.
You want to sit back?
Or does it feel like a fire?
Rookie, are you good?
You have chosen sides, and that you have chosen poorly. Go now, young man.
We must be related, Mom. Are you two roommates as well? Yes. You do.
The sea area. And we see Butterfield and Disneyland. It's really fun.
Just went to check on Vector. It's been about 4 hours. He normally can go for a lot longer than that, but he's in a new place. So I went in, took him out of there, kind of got his bed and everything set up again, so he's more comfortable, and took him outside and walked him around and loved on him, played with him for a bit, and put him back in the kennel. He seemed to be doing just fine.
Since we only have one day here, we opted to get the park hopper pass, and that gets us into both parks on one day. We started off over in Disneyland, did most of the stuff. We're going to head back over for Frontierland and a little bit other things later. But right now we came over to Disney California Adventure. Aaron and Tara are getting fast passes for Soarin', and Ben is taking a nap, and Brooke is on the freeloader, and we're just going to kind of wander around. We're going to find some corn dogs, and we're going to go over to Cars Land and wake up the boy and watch him explode.
I couldn't face what I couldn't find. Just need to know I need peace of mind. Where are you now? Even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me.
Your hair of fire. Hello, what is your name? My name is Thor. Where are you visiting? Virginia. Virginia, across the country. Yes. Wonderful. What do you do there? Not a lot.
Here.
Oh, I love it.
There you go. Perfect. We'll look right over here.
Congratulations, parents, on your fiery broom.
Yes, thank you.